First, let's understand what is NLP. So, as per definition, some people, ask variations of definition. So, some people ask me, Arslan, can you explain NLP in one word? Can you tell me the metaphor of NLP? Can you tell me other, areas of NLP? Let's go bit by bit. First of all, let's first adhere to, one area and one understanding so that we understand it, that NLP is a technique. So that's what we're looking at. Now, while I've done almost about over and above, about 15 global certifications in different methodologies and everything, NLP is only the one that we're going to pay attention to right now. But in totality, NLP is a technique. Now, what is it a technique for? NLP is a technique for modeling. Modeling is something when you're basically, modeling and matching and mirroring anybody's behaviors, values, belief systems, and any, of their core competencies, and you're able to replicate them for producing results. So that's what we're seeing in terms of modeling. How I basically related, because we're in Pakistani context and most of our clients, they come from the Muslim background. Easiest way to understanding modeling is that it's something that we've been doing for ages. It's like following the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. When any Muslim brother or sister follows the sunnah, they basically adhere to the modeling technique. They're modeling all the beautiful skill sets and things and teachings that the Prophet basically left behind for us. Now, similarly, there are certain attributes in terms of, like, for example, somebody wants to understand and become better at communication. They could use modeling technology. Somebody wants to become better in terms of increasing their sense of confidence. They would also use the modeling technology. So it's totally a technology.